Welcome back to my first vlog in a while. Today is car meet number 1. We are obviously going to take the super slow. We are headed out. That one. I didn't host this. I don't know who's coming, but it's going to be one hell of an adventure. So let's hit the road. Hit the second pit stop. As you can tell, about 20 cars showed up. A few have already left. We got kind of told off as soon as we got here. They gave us about 10 minutes to kind of regroup and hit the road. Security just keeps cruising by. We've seen some undercover cops, so we're going to probably very politely and very quietly roll out and see if we can't get some good highway rolling shots. You can hear them in the background rolling out. Some of them are setting up for some other pictures. What a day, what a cruise. Just amazing. It's been a lot of fun. It's been kind of tough because we've all been cooped up, but we are here. Hitch Cam did hitch cam stuff and filmed and recorded, and a nice reliable way to keep the camera in action. So again, this wasn't my meet, or I would have posted it on YouTube. A lot of people ask me, but I haven't really done anything because I don't really know what's going on with COVID, and I am currently unemployed, so I'm just kind of hanging out at home. So still a lot of fun. Till next time, drive safe, take care, behave as always.